Actually, this happened to me. My wife, I never asked what's her caste. I have uncasted myself completely, I'm not caste in anything. So I didn't check her caste either. So I just came and announced to everybody, I'm married. They said, when, where, how?
We feel parents today are becoming liberal with their children in many aspects. However, when it comes to inter-caste and inter-religion marriage, people are still orthodox and people draw a rigid line that children cannot cross. Is it merely because of the fear of society? As the saying goes, सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेगा लोग? So, as a youth, what can we do to convince our parents and bring them out of this social fear?
See, the fear may not be about just what somebody says. We must understand the caste system for what it is. Well, before I say that, I want you to understand this. I never ever asked anybody, what is your caste, because it doesn't even occur to me in my mind. So I'm against inter-caste marriages because somebody will take this one sentence and make me into trouble, but I keep doing this always because it's by intent. I am against inter-caste marriages because, first of all, why the hell do you identify with the caste and then try to do inter? When I was young, if I wanted to marry somebody, I won't even bother what the caste is, I never asked. Actually, this happened to me. My wife, I never asked what's her caste. I just came home one day and told my father, I'm marrying this girl. He asked, who is she? I said, her name. I only knew her pet name, I didn't know her full name. Because that's what I called her. Then he asked, who is her father? I said, I don't know. He said, what? You don't know the father's name, you'll marry her? I said, I wish to marry only the girl. I don't wish to marry her father, nor his property, nor his kanda, nor anything, I'm just marrying the girl. So what caste are they? I said, I don't know. What, you don't know their caste? I said, I don't know. Because except what people have told me, even I don't feel my caste anywhere. I have uncasted myself completely, I'm not caste in anything. So I didn't check her caste either. So I just declared to my wife, I said, you're my wife, that's it. She said, this is all no witness, no arrangement, no garland. I said, see, no bloody witness can ever hold me to anything. When I say something, that's it. I will not go back on it. I said, I'm married to you, this is it. So I just came and announced to everybody, I'm married. They said, when, where, how? That's not your business. This is my wife, then that's it. So I'm saying, first of all, why do you caste yourself and then why do you intercaste yourself? Not necessary. But there is a social situation, that is, in this country, why this caste system stuck on like this is, this was the only means of transmitting skills. Suppose your father is a goldsmith. Now he will marry you only to your goldsmith, another goldsmith, because right from your childhood you have helped the goldsmith carrying this and that, you know how to handle it. Suppose he suddenly marries you to your blacksmith, you will feel lost in that house and you know nothing about it. Because knowledge was transmitted only through the family tree. Today, we don't know what his father is, but now he's become an engineer. We don't know what your parents are, now you're becoming a bio thing, because we have institutions which transmit knowledge. When there were no such institutions, family was the only institution transmitting knowledge, so we didn't want to corrupt that, so we maintained that. Now that is irrelevant. One part of the caste system has become irrelevant. Another reason why people are sticking to the caste is because there's no social security in the country. If tomorrow something goes wrong with your life, okay, you married some strange boy, and if something went wrong with your life, you fell ill or he fell ill or accident happened, something happened, Now the only people you can fall upon is your clan. You go and knock on somebody else's door, they won't open their door. You have to go to your caste. If you say, I belong to this caste, they'll say, come, we'll do something for you. So this is the social security you still have. So in urban areas, it may not matter because you have insurance and this and that. But in rural areas, if you just break away from your caste completely, you are completely on your own. If something goes wrong, there's nobody going to stand up for you. So this is the social security system. Don't try to worry about this destroying caste system by inter-caste, all this. If you create a proper universal social security system, caste will die a natural death. Nobody has to kill it, it will just go.